Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2016 Harley Davidson Street Glide Special. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 62,293 miles and does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this bike will need a muffler that is DOT decibel compliant. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 330 seconds, and the rear at 430 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician has noted that the exhaust pops on deceleration. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches and chips on the saddlebags, cracks in the clear coat, and weathering on the display screen. This bike has 2 keys and 2 fobs. It comes equipped with cruise control, ABS, a multifunction 2-speaker audio system, and navigation. It's been upgraded with Reinhardt mufflers, an open stage 1 intake, LED turn signals, rider footrests, a passenger backrest, docking hardware, and grips. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.